Hello fashion friends and family, this is Stacy Stoop here from Sew Bromo and Elsa Fitzgerald Studio. I love this part of the evening. Actually, it's pretty late. We did a photo shoot with a magazine that we'll be releasing in June, and it's the time of the night where I turn the lights off, and there's a joy because the next day I will be turning the lights on. We found this buttonhole sewing machine. We'll see if we can get it operating, but the big takeaway for me is that we're giving this space new life. So exciting to see fabrics on the table, to see cut work that's been sewn into garments. We're just about finished this production. I mean, I guess I could turn the lights on, but we were just so busy today that I didn't get around to filming, but it's just exciting to just look across this table and see this new wave of what we're creating. I do want to say, for those of you that are watching and seeing what we've made and really talking about, I wouldn't say we're at a point of success, but we're at a point of appreciation, and that we've had a lot of supporters, everything from the building to the educators to our students to media to just comments, like positive comments, and yeah, some critiques, which we appreciate, but I'm just at awe at what can be achieved when you just keep showing up and taking those little steps and taking those steps for as long as you do, and then others start to step with you, and this has been such a celebration. Thank you everyone so much for keeping tuned to what we're doing here in Baltimore. I will see you next time. Look who's in the lobby. Sew Bromo and Belvedere Terrace Atelier. This is 1100 Wacomico, where the factory is. I haven't actually taken you guys down here, I don't think. So let me show you a little history lesson. This is the original building, developed for Jacob Epstein, a Lithuanian immigrant who came to the United States, set up a business, catalog business, traveling salespeople that ended up needing a warehouse for the distribution side of things. Same architect as the Bromo Seltzer Tower, only warehouse building that he ever designed, and it's now turned into this very interesting manufacturing space. Here we are in the directory at 4:15. Here's the building.